Hello guys.
Hey guys.
So yeah, we're going to shop some building materials. We've mentioned a lot of time that we are building in Zimbabwe, and we did post some videos showing our journey so far, and today we decided that we'll be buying some building material. So you might be wondering, what can we possibly buy from here? So we are looking into buying some windows, and yes,
so we're finishing up the project now. So we want to get some aluminium windows already made with the glasses on them, so that when I go to Zim, we'll just install them instead of me running around looking for like someone to put them for me. So we're just gonna go from shop to shop, cash builds, which other one? Leroy Merlin.
Just check Merlin, yes. And also builders warehouse. So we're just gonna do a comparison also, just so that we can get the best deal and the best price. So
I think the last time when we did the cottage, we bought the windows Leroy
Merlin, yes.
But Leroy Merlin and cash build, that's where we usually find very good stuff.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next clips. So it looks like we've arrived at cash build, so we'll be checking out if we can find a good deal. There we go. Usually, where do we get the... No, it's a good price, huh? I think so. But I'm getting a bit step and getting a chip. But it's probably the same,
But is that is we there? Oh yeah.
Right. This one has got a burglar. It's actually nice.
Like this one.
Yeah, that one is big. This one is big. It's like 2.2.
2,200. And this one.
Hey, this one is bigger. It's like
long one. Or is it the other way? Which way does it open? This
I'd like.
Can't tell. Where the hinges are. Really long.
Oh, really long.
Right, so there's quite a few sizes. There's this one going for 2,300, and then we've got these ones as well. They're big, 1.8 meters by 1.5 for 2.6. Then we've got a 1.8 by 1.2 for 2.2, and then we've got that one that is huge. It's going for 3,700. It's very big. It's nice. Then we got that one as well. It's huge. It's for 3,800. So we're just trying to check which ones we're gonna need. So we need a big one. We need big ones for sure, and then a few small ones. Okay, and then we got these Aluminium doors. These are the prices, around 5,000 to 6,000. 5,800, 5,300.
And if you want the double door one, it's about
10 grand.
This is a double door. This should be the doors, because I can see the
Yeah. That's 10,000.
kind of comes
And
with
then yeah, this one is 2,200. Yeah, that's for just additional glossary.
yes, but I think
Yeah. Right, so we're also seeing this wire mesh. It's going for 2,100. And then
but I think I'm on.
yeah, those are too big. Hey, how's it, man? Good, man. Ah, sure.
Hello. How are you?
Okay, so I've just seen some sink here. We'll definitely go for the double square. This one, I think that will do. And these other ones are not as deep, but we'll definitely go for that one. So this is what we want. Yeah, there's quite a plenty. This one will also do, but we'll need double sink. But yeah, so it's either this one, 2 basins, or just that one. So that's where we're at. We'll update as we go. Okay, so it looks like we have found this beautiful aluminium, and I think Ish and I, we want to get this one for our living area and our bedrooms. So this is a 3-door aluminium. So for us, this will be easier for us because the of us taking it and installing it. We don't need to go through the process of finding custom things. So this will make it easier for us. So this will have, yeah, we'll get this one. Those are the prices. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so at least we know the size.
Yeah.
So when you are building, we'll just make sure we leave enough space for the door. And maybe for the kitchen side, we can use this one. Or that one's nicer.
Oh, this one, yes. But this is nice, stylish.
Yeah, it looks nicer, this one. How much is that? 5,300. I think it's reasonable.
Yeah.
So we're gonna need a lot of those.
Yes, not a lot, maybe
when we
2.
finish.
Yeah, because the master bedroom and
we'll put those ones later.
Yes.
So, but still, we need to leave room or at least a space for it.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. Sounds good. And then this one. No, we said we'll get this one.
This one. At least the panels are easy to maintain. Yeah, this is more practical. I mean, we've lived in a house with windows before, so we understand. We'd rather have small panels than large panels. Anything happens.
Because if a large panel like this breaks or cracks, you've been in trouble. So it's more reasonable to replace a smaller section. Like this will probably cost you like $10 to replace. And like that one will cost you like $100 or something.
And at that time, sometimes you don't have that $100 at the time when things happen.
All right, cool. So we are settled on the doors.
Yes.
So now we'll go check out the
other window. I think we're still trying to
the windows.
So we are going to Leroy Merlin.
Right, see you on the other side.
All Alright, looks like we are here at Leroy Merlin. Right there we go. Okay, so this is Leroy Merlin. Let's go check out how much, just a bit of a price comparison so that we can get a better deal.
But how much was?
The windows, sorry. How much the windows and the French doors or the aluminium doors. So we're looking to get aluminium windows and aluminium doors for our cottage in our rural homestead in Zimbabwe. So there we are, just looking for parking. It's very hard to get parking that's very close, but yes, we will get parking. Right, there we go. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's do it.
I wasn't recording. Looks like this reasonably priced double door. It's going for 5,700 and it's quite nice.
Yeah, it is quite nice. We might have a change of heart. We might end up taking this. We'll get two at least.
Yeah, if we get two of these, the only challenge is transporting these because you can't fold them.
No, you can't.
But I guess if you get a good trailer, you just put these and then you're on your way to Zimbabwe. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, and then the windows. Oh, this is that side light.
Yes,
panel.
The side panel is like 2.
How big is this? Okay, that's 2090. So if you want like a lot of light in the house, that's 2090. And then that other door is what? Okay, also 2090, so it's the same height. You can always add on those doors on the side.
Yes.
Living in a glass house. Okay.
So you want much more light.
Yeah, as much light as possible. Right, and oh, this door is on promotion. How much was it that side? Cash build. This is going for 4,000, 5,000 almost. The same door that we said we're gonna get that side. How much was it? Remember? All right, time to go. All right, so we're done with the window shopping.
And we are happy.
Yeah, so now we just need to finalize the plan and yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. All right, so this is just a close-up video. So at least we're happy we managed to find exactly what we wanted, and in the end, it looks like Leroy Merlin still wins. What do you think?
Yeah, it does. So yeah, you know, Leroy Merlin is it's always the best place whenever you're buying.
Yeah.
Whenever you are buying building material.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially my windows, doors, aluminium stuff. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, I think last time we ended up buying kwa Leroy Merlin
as well.
So we thought.
So it's always a cash build versus Leroy Merlin.
Leroy Merlin, yes.
But Leroy Merlin always wins. Cash build in a Zayo.
Yes.
Like city, like you know, building material. Yeah, it say like bricks.
Bricks, yes.
Timber, mavu. You know, all sorts of mavu. for building. It's cheaper there.
It's cheaper, yeah.
But then
The
in terms of
finishes-
my finish is Kuliroy is the
Yes,
best,
yeah.
the best place to go.
Yes, no, I agree.
Yeah, but
Yes.
now Tane stress manjauti, how are we gonna carry the stuff?
Yeah, that's what we're busy talking, Kuti. How are we gonna carry the stuff? So we're looking around for trailers. It's gonna be expensive to hire a trailer, especially if you wanna go there like for more than a week or so. And we found a nice trailer online, but it doesn't have papers. So that's another dilemma.
Yeah, yes, that thing. But yeah, I mean, but the doors, they're quite big. They're quite big. I don't know, my bars are not agreed.
Yeah.
Bars as well. Yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be expensive because ningo makto tora the whole boot.
Yeah.
Kuti mpasa zotsimbirirwa because ane maglass, so they wouldn't want to put things in pamsoro.
Yeah.
So you have to pay for the whole section you put. I don't know if that's cheaper or kungo kisapana malacha, but malacha is always best.
Yeah, I'm
for
also
this
thinking
kind of
Kuti.
thing.
Yeah, maybe
I don't know malacha.
Malacha.
I only know for Lawa, but I'm sure that they are.
Yeah. So apparently this Malacha, I will try to see Kuti his number if it's still reachable, and then it might be cheaper for us to use Malacha because you drop it to the destination like Pamba. Unlike my buses, you have
So
to
basically
go.
for our international audience,
Yes.
Malacha basically is just a runner, a transporter.
Yeah.
Who crosses the border with your stuff, and then you get them the other side, or you get them delivered wherever, whatever
house.
address you give
Yes.
them. So yeah, so we're thinking of using that route.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so that's it. We'll update you whether we are gonna use a bus or we are going to use the Malacha, or we'll get a trailer and do it ourselves. So